Good morning class. Today I will discuss some gate level and PSU level questions based upon multiplexers and demultiplexers. Okay. This is first question. The logic function implemented by the circuit is. There are four options. This is gate 2011 question. What will be the value of f? Okay, how will you implement? You know the equation of f. F is nothing, this is s1 bar s0 bar into i0 plus s1 bar s0 into i1 plus s1 s0 bar into i2 plus s1 s0 into i3. Okay, now just this value is ground, this is 0. So when you will give from here, this is 1, again there is not gate, so i0 is 1. Okay, i0 is 1. This is 0, this is 1, again i0 is 0. I0 is 0. Okay, next this value 0, so it will give 1. I1 is 1. Okay, similarly I2 is 1 and I3 equal to 0. So you can see here 0, 1, 1 and 0. This is nothing, 0, 1, 1, 0. You know the truth table of 0, 1, 1, 0. This is XOR gate. So answer is D option. Okay, this is your answer, XOR. This is the solution of it is given 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Output P bar Q bar into 0 plus P bar Q into 1 plus P Q bar into 1 plus P bar P into Q into 0. So P bar Q plus P Q bar. So P XOR Q. So correct answer is D. Similarly, you can do the same question by this method. Okay, this is 2 marks question. The Boolean expression realized by this. Again given AB, value of selected line is A and B. So A bar B bar into I0 plus A bar B into I1 plus A B bar into I2 plus AB into I3. And you know what is I0? It is C. And what is I2? It is C bar. What is I1? It is D. And what is I3? This is C bar dot D bar. Just put in equation. When you will put in equation, A bar B bar C plus A bar D plus AB C bar D. Okay, now just convert it into standard SOP. Just multiply D plus D bar here, C plus C bar here and D plus D bar here. And this is your A bar B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar, and you can determine the value of minterms. This is your minterms. Okay, A bar B bar C D, it is 0, 0, 1, 1. So 3. A bar B bar C D bar 0, 0, 1, 0. So it is 2. This is A bar B D C. A bar B C D. So 0, 1, 1, 7. Similarly A bar B C bar D 0, 1, 0, 1. It is 5. So just like this you can determine the value. A B C bar D bar is 1, 1, 0, 0, 12. So this is your correct answer. Again answer is D. Just you have to remember the equation. Okay, next question. What are the minimum number of 2 to 1 multiplexer required to generate a 2 input AND gate and 2 input XOR gate? Again you know the equation. This is 2:1 multiplexer. Okay, you have to implement by using 2 to 1 multiplexer. So F is nothing. F is B bar into I0 plus B into I1, and you have to make it XOR gate and NOT gate and AND gate. So B bar into 0, this value will be 0, plus b into a, because you know what is the expression of AND gate, AB. Okay, so one gate for this, and similarly for XOR gate, you know the expression a b bar plus a bar b. So first implement this, b bar into a plus a bar into b. But again, you cannot give a bar as input, so one NOT gate is required here. And how you will get output of NOT gate? You know, a bar into 1, this is a bar, and a into 0, 0. So 2, 1 for AND gate and 2 for XOR gate. So answer is 1 and 2, option A. Again for this question, for the circuit given below, you have to determine the value of Z. Again you have to use the same equation. Okay, Z is nothing, Z is R bar S bar into I0 plus R bar S into I1 plus R S bar into I2 plus R into S plus into I3. Okay, then put the value of I0, I1, I2 and I3. R bar, this is the value P plus Q bar, this is I0, then P, then PQ, then P. So when you will solve, it will give this answer. Okay, you can use K-map here, 1 quad and 2 pair for this. So in GATE exam, generally it asks question from multiplexer. Again there is multiplexer question, again it is 2 marks question. What will be the output X? First determine, suppose this is F. Okay, just again write down the equation here. F is a bar b bar into I0 and a bar b into I1. Similarly, a b bar into I2 and a b into 0. This is 0, this is 0, so 1 1. This is nothing, this is a XOR b. So a XOR b here you are getting. Then again write down the same here, a XOR b. Okay, a XOR b bar c bar into I0, it is 0, so it will be 0. Next, a XOR b bar, yeah, you can say a XOR b dot c into 1, and similarly a XOR b into c bar into 1. And when you will solve, it will give the required answer. This is XOR gate. Okay, then y bar c plus y c bar, again it is XOR gate. So final is this, a XOR b XOR c. This is XOR b and a XOR b XOR c. And you know the expression of, this is the expression of your what? Sum of full adder. Okay, or you can say difference of full adder. This again the question, 1 marks question. First determine this. What is this? You know output of this is selected line of this, C bar, B bar into 0 plus B into this. Okay, C bar. This is I0, this is I1, not value 0 1. This is I0, this is I1. So this will be B C bar. Okay, this is B C bar. B C bar is this. Then this is B bar C bar, B bar into C plus B C bar, B bar C plus B C bar. Now this value is 0, this is A, so B bar C plus B C bar into A. Then use distributive theorem, B bar C plus B C bar, then just multiply by A. This is the answer. Okay, just you can practice such type of question in next discussion class, I will discuss such type of question if you have any doubts. It's all about today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.